Yo, what up everybody? It's your boy Jewelz, and we are back with another unboxing and review video. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Fifine M9 wireless lavalier mic system. You can use this for recording or for IRL live streams or anything like that. But basically, I wanted to get this so that I needed a wireless mic that I could use for in real life podcasts, right? So with the This Ain't No Flophouse podcast, I wanted to have some people that I know come onto the podcast, and I needed a reliable wireless mic so that I can give you all the best quality. So I went ahead and got the Fifine M9, and hopefully this is something that I can use and something that you can use for whatever videos or live streams that you plan on doing. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy and see what it's all about. All right. We have a M9 user's guide. And then we have the Fifine case. This is really dope. The case already I'm impressed with. Let's go ahead and unbox it. All right. We'll get to that in a second. It comes with a couple 3.5 millimeter cables. This is a wind filter, so that if you're outside, it'll block the wind from going through the mic. It comes with two of those. And then it comes with a USB-C to USB-A charging cord. Wow. Just open up like that. How sweet. That's dope. That's super dope. Take these bad boys out. We have the transmitter right here. You can charge the transmitter and the mics together in this case. So that is extremely dope. So we're going to make sure that we have all this charged up, and then we're going to go ahead and test it out. All right, y'all. So let's take a closer look at these mics and the transmitter. So the transmitter, it shows you the mic A and mic B. It also has a power button right here, as well as the mic A and the mic B indicator right there to let you know which one is on. And then on the other side, you have a pairing button, and then you have a mode switch button right here. And then you can see it comes with the clip, and then you have the actual mic, and both mics come with clips on them, so you can clip them onto your shirt or sweatshirt or something like that. Then on the mic, you have a power button right here, as well as a pairing button and noise cancellation button. So far, this mic has a lot of options on it, and it comes in a great case. But we all know what we're wondering, right? We are wondering how it is going to sound. So let's go ahead and power these bad boys up, and then I can give you guys a mic test. So let's do that now. So we're going to press the power button on the transmitter. And as you can see, once the power is on, it starts blinking. You see the solid power button here, and it is blinking here, mic A and mic B. So we are going to power up the mic, and it is solid. This is mic B. So we're going to use mic B, I guess. So as you can see, it is, if that is solid, it means it is linked. So, but just to make sure, let's go ahead and hold this button for 3 seconds, the link button. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now it switched to A because whatever mic you use or power on first is just going to be A. So let's go ahead and get this clipped on and see how it sounds. All right, y'all. So I put the microphone and the transmitter back in here so that you could see how the battery indicator light looks. So it is fully charged. So also wanted to let you know that it is basically plug and play. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the 3.5 millimeter jack, and on the other end is a USB-C. And so I can't actually show you at the moment because I'm recording on my phone, but we're going to be connecting to the phone. Okay. So right now I'm using a different wireless mic, and that's why I can't show you right now until I switch and connect this. But what you want to do is if you have a iPhone 15 or newer, then you can use this. So you are going to plug it into 3.5 millimeter jack right here. And then the other end is going to go into your phone, and then it's connected. All right. So then the transmitter is connected to your phone, and then the mic will be connected to the transmitter. So that's how it's going to work. All right, y'all. As you can see, I have the microphone clipped to my collar of my sweatshirt. And this is a microphone check 1212. Microphone check 1212. This is a test for the Fifine M9 wireless lavalier microphone. All right, y'all. So I wanted to go outside and give y'all a sound test for the Fifine M9 microphone with the windscreen on. So it is pretty windy out here, so this is a microphone check 1212, a microphone check 1212 for the Fifine M9 wireless lavalier microphone with the windscreen on. This is how it sounds. All right, y'all, before I give you my final thoughts, I wanted to go ahead and give you guys a little bit more information on these mics. So the mic is omnidirectional. The operating range is 50 meters, which is roughly 164 feet. And the sampling rate is 48 kilohertz. And the operating time for the mics is 6 hours apiece. And the receiver is 12 hours. So it'll last a long, long time. The charging time for the mics is an hour and a half. The charging for the receiver is an hour and a half. And the charging case is 2.5 hours. All right, y'all. So to give my final thoughts on the Fifine M9 wireless lavalier microphone, I have to say that this microphone is really, really good. If you're somebody that is looking to do podcasting or IRL live streams and are looking for a good mic to use, this would be a great mic to use. The fact that it comes with this super dope case that charges the microphones, as well as the transmitter that you can control the volume of each microphone from the transmitter. So it's really, really dope. I think they sound great. As you can see, I have the black one, and it looks super slick on my sweatshirt. It looks super slick on like a t-shirt. It also comes in white. Okay, so if you are looking for like a different color other than black, it does come with white. And you can find these on Amazon for $59.99. I'll leave the link down in the description for this microphone if you would like to check it out. So If you felt like this was helpful, hit the like button for your boy. It definitely helps. And if you want to see more content, more reviews and unboxings, hit the subscribe button. Like I said, again, I think it sounds great and it looks great. So what else could you ask for, you know? And it's a low price. It's 20% off right now. 20% off. It's originally $79.99. Right now it is going for $59.99. So copy one if you're looking for something like that. I appreciate y'all tuning in, and I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out. Peace. Peace.